Enjoy, find time for kindness, and use plastic responsibly. Hello everyone, Jona Rose here. This week, we're shrinking things down in the world of 3D printing. I'm talking tiny.
Real tiny. Scaling down might seem straightforward, but printing small objects brings its own set of challenges. Today, we'll simplify this complex topic and explore the tiny world that opens up when we do. You'd think smaller objects would print faster, right? Not always. To capture finer details at a reduced scale, we need slower speeds for precision and to avoid complications. For instance, look at these models. The initial car at 1/46 scale was too large compared to our truck, but scaling it to 1/144, perfect match. This is the essence of what we're discussing. Scaling accurately and printing tiny. To achieve this, nozzle size matters. Standard nozzles, like the 0.4mm, can't always capture intricate details of something 144 times smaller than the original. So, I switched to a 0.2mm nozzle. It's finer, allowing for more detail, but it also means prints take longer. With this smaller nozzle, the fidelity is remarkable. It's like crafting micro masterpieces. And while it's slower, the level of detail makes it worthwhile for special projects. Switching nozzles is part of the adventure and maintenance in 3D printing. It requires recalibration and increases the risk of clogs. But the result? Absolutely worth it. What's next in our miniature printing adventure? I'm taking on the classic 3D Benchy, but at just 30% of its regular size, using our fine 0.2mm nozzle. It's going to be a true test of precision and detail. Will this tiny vessel sail smoothly? Or are we heading into uncharted waters? Join me next time to find out.
If you're intrigued by these tiny printing challenges, remember to LCS, like, comment, and subscribe.
Let's keep pushing the boundaries of 3D printing together.